What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Carlos. I'm a licensed broker. I've helped over thousands of individuals and families get the health coverage they need. Today we are going to be talking about prescription drugs, right? Your medications. People talk a lot about medications. It's one of the most important things when it comes to a health insurance plan. So I'm going to be teaching you 3 ways right now that you could do to get cheaper prescriptions in 2025. So if you have a health insurance plan, if you don't, I'm going to be teaching you quick and effective ways to lower what you pay for your prescription drugs. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in there. Let's get into it. So first of all, this list I compiled because I have many years of experience. I know kind of the ins and out little tricks you could do to actually get cheaper prescriptions and how it works. So I'm going to be talking about 3 things. So let's waste no time. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1 that I'm going to be talking about is getting a health insurance plan, and if you already have one, is maybe changing health insurance plans. So through the ACA, prescription drugs are covered, and usually depending on your income, you'll either pay a little more, a little less for it. So up on the screen here are some options. As you can see where it says prescription drugs, you can see where you can pay for it. Now some of my clients have $0 payments on their prescription drugs. And people, it's really, really important, right? So having $0 prescription drugs on something that you're going to frequently be getting is huge, right? And maybe like $5 copay, $10 copay for the prescription drugs is a huge help in the long run. So if you don't already have an ACA plan, maybe look into getting one. And if you already do have one, switch, because in your area, I promise you there are tons and tons of plans with low $5 copays on prescriptions, $0 copays on prescriptions. So again, check out the number here. You can give me a call, 305-970-8583. I can check your area absolutely free. Let's get you quoted. Let's get you to see if you can lower your prescriptions. So that is number 1. Number 2 here is actually switching to generic, right? So in the ACA as well, mainly the cheaper ones are the generic medicine, right? Not the branded medicine. So if that's an option for you, switch down to generic, whatever your prescription drug medicine you need, go down to the generic version. It's going to save you so much money. So for example, in the ACA, in the marketplace plans, the Obamacare, the copay for branded prescription drug could be $30, $40, $50, and then for the generic one, it could be $5, it could be $10 copay, it could be free. So that jump between $50 and let's say $5 copay, prescription drugs are something you generally need to get, especially those with who need frequent care. You're gonna end up saving a ton of money in the long run. So look to go down into generic. There's really not a lot of difference anyways, and it's going to save you a ton of money. So last thing, number 3 here is if everything doesn't work right, is you actually can get a pharmacy discount. So wherever your pharmacy is, try and ask for a pharmacy discount. Usually they do have it. And on top of that, I know it may sound strange, counterintuitive, but don't tell them you have insurance, right? Ask for the price beforehand, right? Once you have the price, if it suits you, then it's good, because sometimes what happens is that not having insurance, right? If you don't tell them you have insurance, it's actually cheaper with the pharmacy discount. Let's say it's like $5, and then great, it's $5 with the pharmacy discount. And then if you tell them you do have insurance, now they pull up your information, your plan has like a $15 copay, so you just paid $10 extra for no reason. So ask for a pharmacy discount and see what it costs without your insurance. But usually it's going to be cheaper with insurance, but it's always good to ask, right? And another little bonus tip, use GoodRX.com, right? In GoodRX.com, you can look at prescription drugs absolutely free and see what their discounts are, what sales are going on, how much it costs, etc. So again, these are 3 quick ways, right, that you could save on your prescription drugs. The number 1 I recommend is obviously looking at a good ACA plan. There's so many good ones out there that for folks who need their prescriptions, it's really, really low. $0, $5 copay, $10 copay for something that you need frequently. So again, you could get a free quote 305-970-8583. Absolutely free, no cost to you. Reach out to me and I will get you the best plan at the best price. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully that helped you out a little bit. Any questions you may have, leave them in the comments, and I will see you all in another video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.